Hello friends, now we are back to again our video changing oil on Tata Nano. Now this is the second part. Now I am going to give new oil to my vehicle, and this is the place that we are going to fill our oil from here, from top. And this is oil level indicator, oil level checker, and it's better you can keep this some release for loose in, do not tight it, just release it, because some air need to make out when the oil going inside. Yeah, some air need to go out from anywhere else. So this is the best place that we can do. And to do this, it is not a very easy thing to put oil to inside. So I have made another DIY thing. This is just a half piece of a bottle, something I think maybe a water bottle or something, maybe some oil bottle or something like this, right? So I have piece of cut here, is a half time, and this tool, just I can put this thing in here like this, and I can put oil to from top, from other side. So it will take some better way, without waste your oil, and without waste your time and everything, without wasting your oil, and you can get good result when you are inserting oil. And this is some handmade tool. It is just a DIY thing. Okay, now I'm sorry there is no one help to myself. I am doing it myself only, so I can do, so you can do as well. So I'm sorry that I am going to post this part from here, and let's okay, now we are back in down. Now see that there is no oil coming more. Now it's time to close this nut, and before you close this nut, you need to clean this and if any darts stand everything, you have to clean this and put this nut into the correct position. And when you are inserting this nut, make sure to do not push it any hard. In the first few turns you have to make on your hand, make by your hand, because it may make worst if you get wrong thread. So just make it sure to do it by yourself and with your hand to get the correct thread position within couple of within first turns, right? First few turns. Okay friends, just now it is clean. See, now I am going to insert this nut. Okay, just like this, very simple. Do not get, just do it by yourself, right, like that. Very like, see, yes, it is going on. Yes, tight it from your hand, then you can use your tool to make it more tight. And this is most important thing. When you remove your oil, the oil nut is something very special. If you get to make any mistake, that if it will get wrong thread, take your time, take your hand on experience. If you are doing this by yourself in your first time, it will make some time and some difficulties. But if you like to get your hand on experience, do it yourself, and you will make some comfortable with your vehicle. When you are driving it, it make more comfortable if you do it yourself and you know what is going on here. what is your vehicle and everything you may know with yourself. So that is I done. Okay, now I most prefer to do it myself when I am changing the oil. Just make this some tight like this. Just right. Okay. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now I have to remove the waste oil can slowly because I still it part is open and I put some adjustment there. Okay, that's I do usually. So but it's better if you are doing on first time. You may waste oil maybe going all over your hand or your body maybe, but just it's general. The experience is the most important. Let's go to the next stage now. Okay, this is the new oil filter. Just put some oil like this to your thread and it will make some more good, and put some oil like this, and this is the rubber seal, and oil, we put the oil on the thread. Now it's ready to fix it, right? Okay, and now this thing, okay, actually this is a little bit complicated. Okay, actually this is little bit complicated because there is there is nothing that we can see on a Tata Nano when you are going to fix this oil can, right? Oil filter. Actually it is totally doing on your hand-on experience, and that is the most important thing, because if you do any mistake, then and if the oil thread goes wrong, it can make some leakage on your oil. So to do this first I am like this. See, you can see I am trying my best to show you. Just I am putting my hand from to the deep inside, and I am finding I'm trying to locate the nut. Yes, right. Okay, that's it. When that's something a little bit difficult on your first experience. So you have to put your hand from down there, and you feel then where the position of the oil filter nut is fixed on. Feel it your hand, because no, your eyes may not catch it. It's just something very difficult part in a Tata Nano car. So it's just on, you can do with your hand-on experience. Put your hand deep down there and feel it to your hand, the position and the depth of the oil nut. I mean the oil filter nut, right? Then you can like fix this your oil filter like this, and generally it take an angle like this. This is the angle that you can put your oil filter inside. So this is the way that you can do it. Now you can see the oil filter there, something like with black with some letters. Right, that is the oil filter. Yes, now it is properly on the correct position, and that's it to fix in the oil filter. Alright, now the last part is fill up the oil, and it's just something as I show you. Just fill your oil from top. If you fix that oil nut, then you fix the oil filter. Now put this part here and fill the oil. Okay, that's it with my how to how to change the oil on your Tata Nano car. Okay, I think this video will help to you to keep your vehicle in good condition. Changing oil is something most important part of your regular maintenance, and let's meet again with another video. Please enjoy this, and I hope you will put me a feedback about this video, and it will help me to encourage my DIY thing with my Tata Nano, some basic things to service your vehicle. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day.